to start classes in higher education institutes from July 31st. Hello viewers, I am Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Come, let's find what is the whole news. Union Territory sees significant dip in the number of cases in the past 2 months. The J&K administration on Sunday decided to allow on-site reopening of the higher educational institutions and skill development centers for the vaccinated population from July 31st, in the wake of the significant dip in the number of cases in the past 2 months. This is to let you know higher educational institutions and skill development centers may be considered from phased reopening for on-site learning after July 31st, subject to the vaccination status of the students and staff. The public and private educational institutions are permitted to seek personal attendance of limited vaccinated staff for the administrative purposes, government order said. For your information, all deputy commissioners have been directed to keep active track of the positivity rates and consider implementing strict control measures in case the weekly positivity rate goes beyond 4%. The 3 T's, protocols, testing, tracking and treating besides vaccination need to be strengthened. The proportion of the RT-PCR test in the mix should be scaled up on a best effort basis to 70% or more, excluding travelers, the order said. According to the government, a significant improvement in some districts was noted compared to the previous week. It has also been seen that the daily cases in the past few days have shown an uneven trend. As such, there is no need to continue with the existing containment measures in these districts. Also, in the wake of the upcoming Eid festival, shops will be allowed to open at 6 am instead of 7 am to avoid rush on July 19 and 20. The Union Territory on Saturday recorded 179 new positive cases and 1 death, a significant dip compared to the figures of April-May. Only 2017 are active positive cases, a significant slide from around 60,000 active cases a day according to the official figures. A total of 4,363 have died due to the virus since the pandemic outbreak last year. According to the official figures, J&K's positivity rate has come down to 0.3% and 18 of 20 districts are green zones. 99% targeted population of 45 and above age group inoculated with the first dose, official said. So here it was the whole news before you. Stay connected to Such News Network. Jai Hind.